Hi, I'm Amanda Magistro, salon owner of Salon Elm in Perth, Western Australia. Beautiful hair starts with a beautiful scalp. That is why I'm inviting you to my space to come and perform a gorgeous KERASILK scalp ritual. Let's go. Hi, how are you? Oh, it's so good to see you.
You too.
Come on in. So overall, how's your hair and your scalp been feeling?
It's a little bit dry.
Well, you're in the perfect place because today we are going to perform a beautiful scalp ritual. And for beautiful, healthy looking hair, it all starts with your scalp. So I'm going to take you through now an exfoliating, which is quite gentle, but a deep cleanse at the same time. So that's going to help with the dryness and any flakiness that you have. Sound good?
Sound good.
Before I do that though, I'm going to get you a beautiful drink so you get right into the mood.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you soon. There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy. I won't be too long. Come through with me to the basin and let's get started.
Great.
It's moments like this that it's not just about the scalp and hair. It's taking a pause and taking care of ourselves. So starting with a beautiful exfoliating scalp and hair treatment, this will provide a deep yet gentle cleanse. I like to massage the exfoliating treatment into the scalp, helping to stimulate and release any flakiness that comes through. After applying our exfoliating treatment, we then wrap in a hot towel just to release and lighten the tension. We're going in now with our sensitive shampoo. KERASILK sensitive shampoo is extra gentle and soothes a sensitive scalp. It is fragrance free and reduces the risk of irritations. A moisturizing face serum is an essential part of your daily skincare routine, right? Well, guess what? Your scalp needs hydration too. The Moisturizing Scalp Drops provide deep moisture and help to balance out your scalp's microbiomes. A little hot tip from me to you, don't let your pipette touch your scalp. You don't want to contaminate anything. A beautiful, healthy, balanced scalp. How does that feel?
Amazing.
And your hair looks so beautiful and healthy, and that all starts with a balanced, healthy scalp.